Good morning, early stage 1. Welcome to this morning's mathematics lesson. How are we all? Good, very good. Okay, today we are going to be learning about geometric measure, okay? Here are the New South Wales syllabus outcomes and the National Numeracy Learning Progressions. Okay, I would like you all to repeat after me. Today we are learning to describe position and give and follow simple directions. Beautiful. So, I think that you guys already know how to do this. Okay, we probably give directions and we describe the position of things all the time, maybe without even noticing it. But we're going to do a couple of warm-up questions first by activating our prior knowledge, and we'll see how we go, okay? All right, so when you know the answer, I want you to raise your hand and I want you to tell me the answer to the question, okay? All right, where is your bag? Outside on the hook. Beautiful, okay. Where are you sitting? On the floor? Yep. In front of me. Yes, beautiful. Okay. How do I get outside? How would I go outside? Yep, stand up, turn around, yep, and go through the door. Beautiful, okay. Next question. What is underneath my chair? That's right. I do have Mr. Wally the whale underneath my chair. Very good. Okay, that was fantastic. So I know that you all know how to describe the position of something. You know how to give directions and you know how to follow directions. So we're going to practice that today. So we need the help of Mr. Wally. Before we start our activity, I want us to just create a little bit of a word bank, okay, with all of those words that you just used to answer the questions, and we're going to try and see if we can add a few more, okay? So let's spend some time and we're just going to write down some of those words, okay? Okay, beautiful. So now we have a gorgeous list of all these words, all this vocabulary that we can use to describe the position of something and to give and to follow directions, okay? So we're going to do an activity with the help of Wally the whale. So we're going to do an I do first. So I've put Mr. Wally somewhere. I'm going to describe the position of Mr. Wally, and then I'm going to give the directions of how I would get to Mr. Wally, okay? So as you all can see, he's up here behind me. So I would say the position of Mr. Wally, and let's look at our vocabulary. I would say he is above me. I would say he is on top of the bookshelf, okay? So that's how I could describe his position. If I wanted to give directions to go and find Mr. Wally, I might say that I need to stand up, turn around, and walk towards the bookshelf and reach up and pick him up, okay? So that's how I would do it. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to put him somewhere and then you need to give me the positions and the directions, okay? All right, that was beautiful, kindergarten, well done. I think we could make it a little bit harder now because you guys did such a good job of that. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna ask one student to go outside and we'll close the door so they can't see inside. We as a class are going to hide Mr. Wally somewhere. So this is how you do. We're going to hide Mr. Wally somewhere where they can't see. So when the student first enters the classroom, they don't know where Mr. Wally is. We're going to use our vocabulary and we're going to practice giving directions so that the student can find Mr. Wally, okay? And we know when we've done a really good job at giving directions when they find Mr. Wally pretty quickly, okay? And we also know that they're really good at following directions if they find Mr. Wally really quickly. All right, kindergarten, thank you very much for working so hard on that activity together. I hope you had a really good time. I was very impressed by how you used your vocabulary and you even came up with some words that weren't on the list, which was very impressive. So remember, today we learned about how to describe the position of something and how to give and to follow directions, and you all did a fantastic job, so thank you.